Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic, a clinic that recently opened its doors in the St. Louis market, and it's one of the only clinics to offer patients the latest breakthrough in ED treatment, combining radial shockwave and focused shockwave, becoming one of the most comprehensive and effective treatments in the country. Joining me now is Andrew Reinhart from Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Of course. And you know, there are a lot of statistics out there, but what are some of the statistics of men who suffer from ED?
Well, there's a lot of men suffering with erectile dysfunction. 70% of them do not seek treatment, maybe because of embarrassment or maybe because they don't want to take the pill and deal with the side effects. That's what we're here to talk about today, a breakthrough treatment for erectile dysfunction.
And whatever that reason is for not wanting to get it worked out, it really is a serious medical condition, and most of the procedures available out there right now must be invasive. Tell us a little bit about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus some of the other methods out there.
That's right. We have a major medical advancement if you're suffering in the bedroom with ED. Our technology, the wave therapy, is backed by 50 clinical studies. It uses pressure waves to open up and regrow blood vessels. It treats the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction by improving circulation. What's the end result? The spontaneity comes back. Men don't have to take the pills, and the erectile dysfunction can be reversed.
And it's needle-free, surgery-free, and drug-free, right?
That's exactly right. The technology is not invasive. There's no pills. It's placed on the skin for about 10 minutes in our clinic. No recovery time. In fact, we call it the lunch break treatment. You can come in on your lunch break and leave feeling totally normal.
Quick, fast, and easy. And your procedure is really backed by so many studies and publications. What are they?
Yes, there are 50 clinical studies posted at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. The Cleveland Clinic, one of the biggest hospitals in America, recently tested our technology. Here's what they said. It generated a clinical and statistical increase in blood flow. That is exactly what a man with erectile dysfunction needs. Cambridge University has even studied this technology as well.
And it's backed by so many studies, so many publications, but you all really do treat the root cause of ED and not just the symptoms.
That's right. Pills and injections are a Band-Aid. That's why a man has to continue taking it for life. He gets nothing but the side effects after it loses its effectiveness. This treatment goes to the damaged blood vessels. It treats the root cause. There's no chemicals. Just imagine what more blood flow in the bedroom might do. It can improve things so drastically because ED has kind of a ripple effect on life.
Well, no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That's really incredible. Walk us through how people can get access to you all at the Pineview Medical Clinic.
Well, you can go to pineviewmedicalclinic.com or call the number on your screen. We have a special offer to get you started. It's a medical assessment. It's an exam. It's a blood flow ultrasound. That will determine if you're a good candidate. We're doing that free to callers now, by the way. You also get a gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. This is about a $500 value. If you call the number on your screen during this segment, we're doing it totally free.
Well, you heard it here. You can get that access to that for free. That information is right there on your screen, pineviewmedicalclinic.com. You can go ahead and give them a call at 314-530-7777. Andrew, thank you so much for joining us today and really breaking everything down for us.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. We'll have a lot more